Adam, thank you so much. Pretty quiet out there this evening with some cloud cover.
Yeah, cloud cover, just a little bit of light rain. It could have been a lot worse. Obviously, in the summer months, we typically see the big storms right around now, but because of this low pressure trough over the northern Gulf of Mexico, let's change things up a little bit. And starting off, changing up this photo, not just the clouds and showers, but this, again, snowy white egret with a little bit of a fish. Looks like a bait fish. Norm Schimmel. Norm, yes, getting that shot. You can always tell the snowy white egrets because they have the yellow talons there, okay, as opposed to the black ones. Those are the great white egrets that you see, and they're much bigger than those, but beautiful birds, and they're smart too. They sometimes can actually steal bait out of the bait wells. Here's a look at a great lightning shot again. This was from last night, just around sunset, and this is the guy, Dylan. John Wade Cox getting that shot. He has been getting quite a few of those lightning strikes along with other folks who are part of the lightning mafia, they call themselves, and they go out and they get some great shots. Here's a Lakewood Ranch webcam showing a lot of clouds there in Lakewood Ranch too, and that's going to be a trend. I think on Saturday we're not looking at a lot of sunshine, so sunbathers not going to get the sun that you would want at this point, but we will see some breaks in the clouds now and again. There's a chance for some morning showers like we saw today near the coast, and those will work slowly inland throughout the late morning, early afternoon, and you may get a little bit of rainfall, while you may not in some other areas. Now this low pressure trough still is hanging out here over the Gulf of Mexico. There may be a little circulation that will develop, but it will travel northward, I think, over the upcoming days, but close enough to us to break down that high pressure ridge, which has been really dominating our weather as of late with not much rainfall, but that has changed now with that high pressure weakening, pushing away, a little bit more lift in the atmosphere, allowing us to see some showers and storms developing at almost any time during the day, but maybe a little break like we saw today in the afternoon hours. Now, one or two storms have popped up recently inland, and the rain that was around, looks like Lido and where Adam was just a minute ago is for the most part gone. Some light sprinkles still lingering there. Some showers over Tampa Bay. This is the area that has just kind of flared up inland, and that's continuing to push off to the east. But all in all, pretty quiet night. Inglewood getting a little light rainfall. If you have some plans this evening, not a problem for most areas, at least for the next couple of hours. I think we will see some redevelopment, though, with water temperatures in the upper 80s and a little low pressure area to the north of us. That always is a sign of some showers and storms developing in the Gulf. Well, the rainfall amounts near the coast weren't all that impressive. As you see there, one area in particular in central Sarasota County, which has been getting a lot of rainfall in June, got over an inch there. Parrish, we'll query that and see they had about 3/10, although some areas near Parrish had a little bit more than that, up to an inch in some isolated areas. Friday evening, calling for a few showers around, not much. Don't cancel your outdoor plans. 9, 10 o'clock, we may still see a few around. I think a little bit better chance after midnight for some redevelopment like we saw last night out there in the Gulf. 83 degrees right now. The nice thing, it's cooled down as a result of the clouds and showers that have been around. The high today was below average at 87. The low was 80. We're below average rainfall, too, quite a bit, 3.69 inches at the Sarasota Braden Airport. So we'll take you to the forecast now. Beach and boating tomorrow looks like this. We saw it earlier. South winds at 10 knots. So the winds and seas won't be a big problem. The only problem may be is a few isolated thunderstorms. Obviously, they'll still race the races in light showers and moderate showers, but if there's any lightning around, they have to postpone that. 60% chance for scattered storms tomorrow. And a little bit of sunshine now and again, and then Sunday, 40%. Goes down a little bit. That'll be the bigger races, by the way. Monday, 50% chance, and then 40 after that, all the way through the 4th of July evening. And we're calling for a few widely scattered storms, even at the time of fireworks on Wednesday night, but that's always the case here in Florida during summer. Back to you.